Alright, welcome back to this channel today. You know who it is, your boy Gideon Julius, always here to give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Trust me, if you're new, you don't want to miss what I'm about to give out to you today. Okay, what I do here is to give out information on how to make money online. I don't do any other thing, so just online money making. Also, trust me, this is our generation now, it's all about online. So if you're just online watching people's content, watching Facebook, watching Instagram, and you're not making money, trust me, you are losing a whole lot of money. So I made some research and I found out that ClickBank does not work in Nigeria. So don't be deceived. Okay? A lot of people are talking about ClickBank. I've seen the Nigerians people talking about ClickBank and ClickBank, unless there is another means they are trying to use ClickBank. But trust me, if you want to register ClickBank in Nigeria and do their affiliate program, it will not work here. So I went ahead and make a research to see if there is another platform you can use in Nigeria to do your affiliate marketing and program and make a lot of money. So I discovered this one platform, and this is what I want to talk about today, which is called Expertnaire, right? I don't know if I get the spelling right, but it's Expertnaire, right? It's a Nigerian-owned affiliate platform. Okay, this platform allows you to sell any kind of product that they have on their platform. You can be an affiliate and make as much as 75% commission. Do you understand me? So as much as, so it depends. I went through their site, I registered and I did some research. I found out that so many people have been talking about it and I did not know why they were talking about it. The reason number one they were talking about it is because it works for Nigeria and it works for Nigerians. Okay, because as I told you earlier, I don't really know much platforms, although I'm making research so that if I make research and I find out any good news, I'll come and share with you so that you can apply and use it and make money. So I was looking for means because I love ClickBank. I have ClickBank is worldwide, but it doesn't work in some parts of Africa. So when I made the research and I realized that ClickBank does not work here, so I have to make a research to know the one that we're going to be using or the one that you can use to make money here without stress. So Expertnaire is the one platform that you can use in Nigeria without stress, and they pay you every Friday, like every week. You make money every week. So any amount you're making, you're sure to collect it that week. You're not going to wait till next month or next 2 weeks or no. It's weekly payment, and they have varieties of products that you can sell. Okay, majorly they deal on digital products like courses, materials, something like that. Okay, they don't sell physical products, they do digital. So if you go to Expertnaire register, you have to pay some money. I think the registration fee for affiliate is 10,000 naira. Okay, but and also if you are a content creator, if you're a digital person that has maybe digital content that you want to sell, see, it's an advantage for you. Trust me, it's a big advantage because both an affiliate, both you that is creating the content, you have the ability to market it in that same platform. Do you understand? So let's say you have a course, or you have a digital product, or you have a book, or you have something that can help people in that particular area, and it's a product you want to sell online, and it's something that you packaged well, think you can sell it. You go to their vendor site, they have vendor, they have affiliate. So you go to their vendor and apply. I think they collect 20,000, 25,000 from vendors, yeah, something like that. So you as a vendor that wants to sell your product, right? You as a vendor that wants to sell your product, they will charge you, I think it's 25k, right? 25k or 20k to be a part of that. And you that wants to be an affiliate, they will charge you, I think it's 10,000 naira, 10k for an affiliate and 10k for the vendors. So it helps both you that has a product and you that wants to sell. You understand what I'm saying? So that's why it's a big advantage, and that's why I'm talking about it. Trust me, I don't want to talk about something that will not favor my viewers or my subscribers. I want something that if you are interested in making money, I am not selling any product to you from this video. I am not selling anything on Expertnaire at the moment, but I know that it's something that anybody can do. Someone like me, I have courses, I can join their program if I want, right? But I want my fans, my viewers, and people that like my videos to first of all check it out. If you want to start affiliate program, Expertnaire is the #1 in Nigeria. Trust me, and I have a lot of people that have been doing it. People have been talking about it. People are, if you check online, you will see videos on Expertnaire, and I know the person that owns that platform. Okay, I don't want to mention names here. I don't want to call anybody names, but I know the people that owns the platform, and these guys have been online for a long time. They have been proven to be correct people online. Like, you know, consistency is the key. So someone who has been doing online business for more than 10 years can be trusted, right? Yeah. So the program is legit, trust me, and it has come to stay because at least it's over a year now, going to 2 years that the platform came out. So any platform that came out and lasted more than that, I think it's something that can last, right? So Expertnaire will help you as a vendor. You sell your courses to them. That they'll help you to sell your products, right? As a vendor, as you have paid the 20K, they will take up your product and put it on their platform, and those affiliates will now go and sell your product for a commission. So you are going to decide how much commission you're going to pay your affiliates, because you're not the one selling the product. It's your product, but you're not selling it, you're not promoting it, you're not putting it there, and affiliates will help you do the job. So you're going to decide how much you're going to pay your affiliates to help you do the marketing and the selling, right? And also don't forget, at Expertnaire, people that do affiliates, they choose products that can give them high commission, right? So some people are giving, as I told you already, some people are giving as much as 75% commission. That means if you're selling a product of 20,000 naira, you might as well get maybe 15 or 12,500 from that product. Some people are giving as much as 50%. So let's say you're selling a product of 20,000, you are going to get 10,000 naira as an affiliate from that program. So the higher you put your commission, the better chances you have to get affiliates that can help you sell your products. So you understand? I just want to talk about Expertnaire because I've made a research. I couldn't sleep last night. I just have to make the research about this platform so that when I'm talking about it, I don't have to beat around the bush. This is what it is. Okay? So if you want to be a vendor, you're at advantage. If you want to be an affiliate, you can do that too. But no matter what you're doing with the platform, you have to pay. Yes. That's where we have a little challenge there, because some people don't have money. They want to start business without money. They don't have. And we can't blame anybody that doesn't have. But in Expertnaire, trust me, you must have some money. Let's say if you want to be a vendor, you must have at least 20,000 to 25,000, and if you want to be an affiliate, you must have at least 10,000 naira to start. Understand? And you have to wait for them to approve your content or your product, because they have standards. You know, it's about standard, because they don't want to bring out something that their customers or people that believe in their product start complaining about. They want high quality product that people will be happy to buy, purchase, and come back again to the platform. So this platform is legit. It's something that I will advise you if you want to start. If you have some money, like 10,000, just try it. Okay, there's no harm in trial. There's no harm in trial. You can do it without putting 10K and try it and see that. Okay, let me say, just put in like 20,000 in the product, because when you get the affiliate link, you need to promote. You need to sell, you need to make sure that it gets to people. So you need money too to do small canvassing on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or anywhere you can do it. So that's how it is. So I discovered that ClickBank does not work, and trust me, I'm going to make more research. If I find out another platform that allows you to do affiliates and vendor together in Nigeria, that allows Nigerians and Africans as a whole, I'm going to make the video and drop it here. So that's how it is. This video is going to be short. I'm leaving it here for now. You know who this is, your boy Gideon Julius. Please, if you're new, subscribe to this channel and help me share this video. It will help me, and I would appreciate that. So if you have a comment, please drop it on the comment section. Okay, if you have a question to ask me, drop it there. Or if you want to talk about anything else different, you can DM me. Okay, it is simple. I will drop my social media handles. Maybe you can reach me, follow me on Instagram, and I'll appreciate that. So that's how it is. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed and bye.